forget to start your day with a healthy breakfast. There's nothing better than eating convenience store food at 8 a.m. in the morning in a cold morning in Tokyo. Jefita. Hola, ma. Muy bien, ¿y tú? My God, for a second there I thought that was the line to get into the sky tower. I'm glad it isn't. The Tokyo Skytree is the second biggest structure in the world after, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna mispronounce this, but it's the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. The main point of this building is communications tower. It's used to broadcast television and radio signal across Tokyo. The old Tokyo Tower that's in the other part, the other side of the city is not big enough to cover the whole area of Tokyo now, so they built this one. It's really a shame that the sky is so gray today. I can't imagine how beautiful it would look if the sky was just clear and blue. It still looks very good, but you have to wonder, you know? One of my favorite things about Japan so far is that you're walking across a city that's very modern and suddenly you come across a temple or a shrine. And it's just that mixture of old with the new that makes this an unbelievable experience. For example, this temple behind me was built in 1217, so that makes it almost 1,000 years old. And the city, well, the city's not that old, so that contrast is something that I find amazing.